championship game of the National Pool Association. We started off with 64 players, but we've narrowed it down to just 2. Eric Ritchie for the final shot of the game. Will he sink the 8 ball?
Sir, call your pocket.
I call that pocket, sir.
He did it! He did it! Yes, Eric! Yes!
Yeah!
But Eric,
Oh!
I don't understand why this happened. Why, when you hit this ball, they came, this one went continued forward, and that one stopped. The white ball just stops after you hit it. I don't understand. How does the amazing Eric Ritchie do it?
Well, Matt, funny you ask that. This is because billiard balls form a perfectly elastic collision. Because the pool balls have the same mass, when they hit, and because it's a perfectly elastic collision, when they hit, kinetic energy and momentum is transferred to this ball. So the black ball will continue off at the same velocity as the white ball hit it.
So now that we've explained perfectly elastic collisions, we're going to give a quick lesson on inelastic collisions. Now we all know that in any collision, momentum is going to be conserved. So here we have 2 pool balls and a tennis ball and a lacrosse ball. Here the tennis ball is much lighter than the lacrosse ball. Now, me and Eric will hit the pool balls with the same momentum, and therefore the tennis ball and lacrosse ball shall have the same momentum. Since momentum is equal to mass times velocity, and the tennis ball's mass is much less, the velocity shall be much higher. So if we hit the pool balls with the same momentum, then the tennis ball should go to the other end of the pool table, which is a much higher velocity, which we will test right now. And as you can see right there, the tennis ball reached the end of the table much faster because it has a lighter mass, therefore the velocity was higher.
Now, sit back. Oh! Ah! Ah! Ooh! Ooh!
Ah. Number 81, Eric Ritchie, seemed to be injured on the play. Let's go to a quick commercial break and we'll be back momentarily.
Did you know that 4 out of 5 dogs over the age of 3 have gum disease, and that tartar buildup can be a contributing factor? Now there's a solution: doggy dentures. If your dog is suffering from unsightly tartar buildup, try doggy dentures.
We're back from commercial break, and Eric Ritchie is still severely injured. I don't know if he's going to recover from this one. He's still down on the ground, and Eric's coach seems to be furious.
Time out! Time out! Time out! Eric, what are you doing out there, man? What are you doing? You're getting nailed every play.
I'm sorry,
Eric,
sir.
you need to go back there.
He's just so much bigger than me, sir. I don't know how to take him down.
Eric, it's all about momentum. You see, it's all about momentum. You gotta go back there. He's obviously heavier than you, all right? You gotta pick up your speed and run at him, all right? To beat him, you gotta pick up your speed so you have a higher momentum than he does. Eric, you are faster than him. I want you to get out there, run at him hard, and get away. All right, can you do that?
I can do that, sir. I can do that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Eric Ritchie seemed to recover. He's back in the game. He's been getting pounded out there all game. Hopefully he can recover and get some yards. 4th down and 25. Let's see if Eric can do it. Yes, Eric! Yes, there we go! Last play of the game, 1 second remaining. Eric Ritchie is down 6 points. They need a touchdown to win. Can he continue the dominance that he showed at halftime? Can he do it?
Stupid. This is stupid. It's not fair. Ah!
The great Eric Eric Ritchie and Matt Meyers with another Super Bowl victory. I'm gonna run in and see if I can get an interview real quick. Eric Ritchie, do you think I could ask you a couple quick questions?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
How'd you pull off the great upset to win the Super Bowl?
It was a great pep talk by my coach, man. My coach. I owe it all to him.
I just taught him the basic laws of physics. I just how it applied to football, and it got him moving, it got him motivated to win the game.
Matt Meyers, where did you learn these laws of momentum?
I owe it all to my great physics teacher, Miss Wilkie. She taught me that mass times velocity is momentum. Clayton obviously had to beat the mass category. Eric just picked up his momentum, brought us to victory. Let's win the game. Yes! Yes!
So Matt Meyers and Eric Ritchie use simple laws of physics to win a football game.
See, baby, tell 'em. Momentum. Matt and Mo on the track.
Eat rich in this beat.
Why does this ball stop and this one just goes? I wanna figure it out, but I just don't know. Is it 'cause this one's orange and this one's whiter? Or this ball's heavy and this one's lighter? It's actually because it's perfectly elastic. The change of velocity is really quite drastic. So what will happen if this were to occur? Okay, E and momentum will completely transfer. But what would happen if it wasn't quite perfect? Would you hit the ball straight, or do you think you would curve it? Well, the truth is, it just wouldn't be the same. All momentum will transfer, but some KE will remain. So the ball won't stop, but it might slow down. Just as Queen Wilkie looked for her gold crown. So momentum will transfer, no matter what. But KE will only transfer if it's not perfect. 'Cause momentum is concerned. Momentum is concerned. Momentum is concerned. Momentum is concerned. Momentum is conserved. You know we ain't dumb. Because M times V equals momentum. Clay can have more mass, but if I'm really fast, I can tackle him, take him down, put him on the ground. So what's up? I'm gone. 'Cause I'm very quick, while Clayton just sits and faces laws of physics. But however, if Clayton speeds up, this will probably disrupt my chances of tackling him. Guess I should just hit the gym. Momentum is concerned. Momentum is concerned. Momentum is concerned. Momentum is concerned. Want to find momentum? I'll tell you what to do. Use an equation, now that's the biggest clue. If the mass is large, velocity is small. Eric has to speed up to affect him at all. The reason for this is very easy. It's all because P equals MVC. If the time of impact is increased, then the FA will decrease. Impulse equals F delta T. This is important, time velocity. These equations can really help you out. You'll get 100% now, that is no doubt, because momentum is conserved. Momentum is conserved. Momentum is conserved. Momentum is